Breaking update, what we are getting to know as far as the NEET undergraduate counselling is concerned, that's the update coming in that has now been deferred until further notice. Now, in fact, when it comes to NEET, and we have seen the controversy surrounding it, this is when it comes to the counselling, the NEET undergraduate counselling that has now been deferred according to official sources that we are now learning over this development that has now taken place. The counselling that has now been deferred in the meantime. This is through official sources that now we are learning when the NEET undergraduate counselling deferred till further notice, and the NEET UG All India Quota or the AIQ seat counselling that was earlier scheduled to start from the 6th of July. But the counselling for the national eligibility cum entrance test undergraduate NEET UG has now been deferred until further notice. Through official sources we are learning. Mohit, what more do we know?
Hello.
Mohit, updates please. Well, just getting an update from our reporters there, the counselling for the national eligibility cum entrance test undergraduate NEET UG 2024 that has now been deferred till further notice. The NEET UG All India Quota or the AIQ seat counselling that was scheduled to start from the 6th of July. However, it has now been deferred until further notice. So as far as the NEET UG counselling 2020 schedule that was concerned, through official sources that we are learning, has been now deferred till further notice. When it comes to the NEET UG that was conducted on May 5th by the NTA for admissions to MBBS, to BDS, to Ayush and other related courses as well. And when it comes to the examinations that have been facing allegations of irregularities, and currently the matter is also taken up to the highest court.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.